Today, I'm really pleased to show you an updated feature that enables a more transparent, buyer-focused experience as it relates to shipping arrangements for marketplace auctions that you're actively bidding on or have won. We designed this feature to help you, the buyer, better understand your potential shipping costs based on the shipping address that you select. With this new buyer-facing feature rollout, if you have multiple addresses in your account address book, you'll be able to change a shipping address and then have the bstock platform dynamically, in real time, update shipping costs or estimates based on factors including your shipping destination. Here's what this looks like. So here you can see the pre-selected default shipping address and the shipping cost associated with that specific address. And we'll select the next address available from the buyer account address book, where you can see how the shipping costs will update in real time. We'll go ahead and select a third address so that you can see the behavior one more time. And please note that if you don't see the shipping address that you would like to use for an auction, simply navigate to your account up in the top right corner and go to My Account, where you'll be able to add an additional address to your address book. Please know that whatever shipping address that you currently have set as your default shipping address will be tied to your auction bids unless you log in and change your desired shipping address for a specific auction prior to bidding. Again, once you place a bid, you do have the option to update your desired shipping address for that auction. However, the existing most recent bid that you placed for that auction will be tied to the previously selected shipping address. Any new bids placed after you change your desired shipping address will be associated with that updated address selection. If you've won an auction prior to payment for that auction, you'll also have the opportunity to change or update your desired shipping address after you've logged into your account and are on the order details page. So here we've got the default shipping address already selected. We will click change and we will select another address from the address book. Click update order address and you'll see the totals down here, update. And note that if you require liftgate or similar services, you do have the option to opt out of or into those services, and you'll see the order totals update to account for the fees associated with those services. For the marketplaces that bstock collects wire payments for, once you've finalized your desired shipping address and order details, you'll be able to print this page and use it to make the necessary wire payment arrangements with your financial institution. Note that also included on this details page is your order ID number. Please be sure to include this order ID when you make your wire payment to allow bstock to efficiently apply payment to your order and release your order for shipment in a timely manner. To submit any questions or comments you may have related to this feature, or to submit any other buying related questions or comments that you may have for us, we would love for you to take our brief survey. Survey responses will be entered into a drawing where one lucky buyer will win a bstock swag bag. And as always, buyers, thank you so much for your time.